Hello mini learners, welcome to this new chapter of Speak English Like a Native. Today we are going to see Calm Down. Let's start. Let's see these short dialogues. Calm down a bit. I won't forget this in a hurry. Time won't save you. Cool off. You had it coming. You asked for it. How can we calm down? Settle down. Calm down, mate. Hold on there. Keep your hair on. Cool off. Keep calm. Calm down a bit. Don't shout. Pull yourself together. There. Don't fly off the handle. Don't jump off at the deep end. Try to breathe slowly. No need to get head up about things. Relax, my friend. How can we threaten? Please be careful with the use of these sentences. I won't forget this in a hurry. Time won't save you. We'll see what we shall see. Serves you right. I'm not likely to forget what you said. You had it coming. I'll pay you back in your own coin. I'll give them a taste of their own medicine. He's got a chip on his shoulder. They have it in for me. She's going too smart for it. I've got all the scores to settle. What's your problem? I'll break your neck. Just wait till that. She'll get my own back, don't you worry. I've got a bone to pick with him. He asked for it. She'll have the devil to pay for this. What he did to me still sticks in my throat. I don't know why he bears a grudge against me like that. He's got an axe to grind. I'll pay you back one of these days. Memory goes a long way. Just you wait. Time will tell. There's a price on her head. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuando subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.